My name is Bill Warmbrodt. I am the branch chief, the Aeromechanics branch of the Flight Vehicle Research and Technology Division here at NASA Ames Research Center. Our organization does advanced research on the next generation of helicopter and vertical lift aircraft or vehicle. Many technologies are required to be able to enable an aircraft that can take off vertically, fly at fast, high forward speeds, carry a lot of payload, have a long range, and there's a lot of opportunities for us to do any numbers of different types of research endeavors over the next 10 to 20 years. Okay, within NASA, there are 3 centers involved in subsonic rotary wing research. They're at NASA Langley, NASA Glenn, and NASA Ames here. Over the 3 centers, there's about 100 NASA civil servants involved in full-time research. They're scientists, they're engineers, technicians, mechanics, a wide range of people and skills required to pursue our research. Some of the facilities here at Ames include real-time piloted simulations where pilots are put in experimental environments that simulate the aircraft, that give him the sensory perception of full motion to be able to have him experience the aircraft as it would if it were flying. And yet in that context we can develop the software flight control laws, understand what it means to have an aircraft that can perform the types of missions that we hope to accomplish, and ultimately be able to provide an aircraft that not only is easy to fly but can in fact make genuine contributions to our society. Now, in my particular area, in rotary wing, we're interested in trying to increase the capacity of the national airspace system. We, as a normal traveling public, assume that the airports are going to have access, they're going to be available to us, we're going to be able to catch a flight at the time that we want, and we're going to go to the destination that we care to arrive at in a timely manner. However, with the increased use of the airspace, the congestion at the airports, NASA recognizes that 10 to 20 years out, we're going to need to have a new paradigm. You can't use runways for any particular aircraft to fly a distance of maybe 1,000 miles or less, because the runways are going to be used by the aircraft that are flying across country or flying internationally. The increase in the number of passengers going to long distance destinations are going to demand that the shorter destinations be serviced in another fashion. We need to get the airplanes off the runways that don't require runways. We feel that vertical lift aircraft with the capability of taking off vertically or even using very short rolling takeoffs will in fact enable a large percentage of the flying public to be able to reach their flight destinations using air vehicle platforms that don't require the runways that we currently see at our international airports. This also then opens up the opportunity for us to say, okay, if we don't need the runways, do we need to even land or take off from airports themselves? Is the opportunity for the future really exists to be able to fly from city center to city center, from transportation hub to transportation hub within an urban community, to be able to get the air traveling public not just to the destination they want to go, but to the location in the city center or the area of the actual business hub where they wish to be so that they can do their business. Those are the opportunities and in fact the demands that we see that we're going to